Today's podcast episode is all about what is going to happen next. I invited on Callum Morgan. He's got a hospitality business that he runs with his parents. He's got Morgan Branding, which is one part of his business.
Callum Morgan, based in Warrington, England, so just between Manchester and Liverpool, for those of you that know the area. Obviously, like most people, I guess, now sat at home, not sat in my lovely self-catering holiday let over in North Wales. I own a company called Morgan Branding, which is this hoodie here. I only wear my own company branding clothing. I think it's somebody would say it's it.
One thing that I noticed that you did recently was you helped a local business go online. Can you explain the process, the conversations that led to it, and the detail that you had to do to get this actually in action, this plan in action?
A place where if we look after the owners, you know that we'll look after the guests. In reality, we only do 10% of the work with a guest. You as the owner do the rest of the work with the guest.
What if there's one tip that you would give to any host that is watching right now to help them increase their direct bookings, what would it be? Let us know where everybody can go and find out more about what you've spoken about today. Where's the best place? Where's the best place to get in contact? With every podcast interview, we like to finish on the quickfire questions. This is the quarantine quickfire questions because we are obviously in the lockdown. So I've got 6 quickfire questions. Are you ready?
Yes.